Hello everyone, it's Varus, and in this video I'm going to give you a full update on National Hurricane Center, severe outlook, and a little international stuff I would like to take a look at the end of the video. So hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. So right now we have the National Hurricane Center website pulled up, and if you take a look at the headlines I put for the video, haven't changed much because I mean again this is we're still in summer. This is like since we're in the towards the end of July, these are when times get really quiet. The dog days of summer. So when we're really quiet, we're not really experiencing anything much in the way of weather. So the headlines didn't need to be changed much. I did add a few tweaks, but yeah, you can check that out as we go through the video. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So right now, again, we have the website pulled up. Taking a look at the Atlantic, same story. No tropical cyclone activity is expected during the next 7 days. Let's head over to the Eastern Pacific. A different story, much more active. We got this disturbance 48% chance, or 30% chance in the next 48 hours of development, 30% chance in the next 7 days of development. So some slow, conducive development is definitely possible. We'll keep an eye on the system as it's the closest towards land. Disturbance 2, 10% in the next 48 hours, 20% chance of development in the next 7 days. So also some slight development with that one too. Definitely could watch out as it treks west towards areas into the Central Pacific and even into Hawaii. And then one more little disturbance right here, near 0% in the next 48 hours, near 0% in the next 7 days. So likely going to be dissipating, so this may not be worry in the times to come. Now getting into the severe outlook, I have it wide zoomed here because as you can see, if you take a look right in the center bottom of the screen, you see we have a marginal risk up for today, marginal risk up for Wednesday, and then a general severe risk for Thursday, and then nothing after that. So we'll take a look at Tuesday, marginal risk for North Carolina and Virginia. Not really any big threats, just a little wind threat, so just keep an eye out for isolated tornadoes over there. Then we have a marginal risk up in the upstate of New York, most of New York, Pennsylvania, and Ohio. Again, really just a wind threat and a slight chance of hail up into the upstate of New York. And lastly, day 3, just a general risk for thunderstorms, so just watch out for some summertime usual thunderstorms. And then again, day 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, nothing much. So now getting into the little international thing I wanted to talk about. We have, though our Atlantic and Pacific haven't, I mean, our Pacific is active, but though our Atlantic hasn't been active, looking all the way over to the west for areas of like Taiwan, China, all those areas, we have a pretty notable Typhoon GAEMI, and I mean take a look at this on IRS satellite. Very big cloud tops, very healthy overall. Okay, you can see lots of convection blowing up. You can see the outer bands well defined. You can even see the circulation with those cloud tops circulating around the center, and a very healthy breathing storm heading right towards possibly the northern areas of Taiwan, such as the major city of Taipei. So please watch out if you're in any of these areas. Stay tuned to your local news. And yeah, this is a very strong, this looks pretty destructive too. It's a very strong cyclone, very strong typhoon. So just keep an eye out if you're in those areas, and please take any precautions needed. So we'll take a look at the track. It's a little different from the NHC's track, but generally you see it moving just south of Taipei and then impacting other areas of China, misses Hong Kong well north and east. However, it still goes right into China, so just between Hong Kong and Shanghai, right into China. But again, it's still gonna cross over some very populated areas in the northern areas of Taiwan. So please keep a lookout if you're in those areas. And yeah, there's that track. And then just taking a look at the ensembles real quick. This is the GEFS, so some ensembles of the global forecasting system. Again, you see it going over Taiwan, and then going into China, and it gets pretty strong, 953 millibars, so it continues to strengthen and deepen, and that's 953 is in our terms would be a major hurricane, so please keep an eye out if you're over there. A very strong hurricane is possible. And then getting into the GEPS, the Canadian, we see yeah, I think it's pretty much Canadian. We see it strengthening again to 978. However, the Canadian has it missing to the north, but since GAEMI does look pretty big, GAEMI, it could definitely still bring impacts to areas of Taiwan, especially again Taipei. So no matter the strength, it's still going to be a very impactful system. So please watch out if you're in any of those areas. But that's it for now. That's my video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.